Assalamu alaikum students. Today's lecture is about fables. It is on page 133. So we are going to start with Aesop's Fables. Aesop's Fables means a collection of short stories about animals which behave in a human way. This text which is described below, it is actually a fable which is based on one of the fables of Aesop, who was born in ancient Greece in 572 BC, which is nearly 26 centuries ago. You can see a picture. Now we will move to the text. There was once a man and a lion who were traveling together on a long journey. As they walked along, they talked about many things. The lion boasted. Boasted means bragging, that he was stronger and braver than a man, and the man boasted that he was stronger and braver than a lion. Of course, a man is braver than a lion, boasted the man. Think of all the battles men have won. Of course, a lion is stronger than a man, boasted the lion. Think how much bigger the lion is. In these lines, we have come to know that, as I have told you earlier, that a fable is a simple story, but it teaches us a lesson. It gives us a clear message. This fable is actually about a man and a lion who were traveling together. Both boasted for their bravery and strength. Men said that humans are superior as they have won many battles, but the lion was persistent that lions are bigger and stronger than humans. Come to the text again. As they continued to argue, they came to a crossroads where there was a statue of a man strangling a lion. Strangling, killing a person by putting hands around his neck. There you are, cried the man. Is that not proof that a man is stronger than a lion? Wait a moment, said the lion. That is just your view. If we lions could make statues, I am sure that you would see the man underneath. Well, in these lines, we have learned that when the both lion and the man who were traveling together, when they reached a crossroad, there was a statue of a man. He was strangling a lion. Man said that it is the proof of man's strength that he is strangling a lion, but lion refused to accept it by saying that it is a human's view. If the same statue had been made by a lion, the man would have been underneath. Students, the lesson is done. Now turn the page and come to the question and answers. On page 134, we have some questions under the title of Reading for Understanding. We will do only question 2, 3 and 4. So you have to prepare the page and you have to write down the question and answers like this. Question is that, what did the man think that the statue proved? Answer is, the man thought that the statue proved that a man is stronger and braver than a lion. Next question is, what did the lion express his different point of view about the statue? The answer is, the lion said that if the same statue had been made by a lion, the man would have been underneath. Next question is, why do you think is the message for the reader of his fable? Answer is, the message is that both man and lion tries to show that their race is superior to other. Lesson is done. Thank you.